Karamoja cultural event. Abim is hosting, and this is happening for the first time. We welcome everyone. We are grateful that we got a team all the way from Ethiopia. They were with us here, and they're still with us. We have the Toposa from South Sudan. They are still with us. We have the Turkana who are also here, and we appreciate if they're still with us right here. But of course, all the Teker cluster, everybody who belong to our Teker clan, you are most welcome. We appreciate that you have taken the time to be with us this wonderful evening. This is the third day that the event is still running on. Tomorrow will be another day that we shall have so many